welcome back to the Red Lego channel. So, here I am with another video, and right here I have the 5th Lego vending machine, as you can see, and it's pretty similar to the 4th one. So, it looks pretty simple and it's mostly red like always, so without further ado, let's get started. Right here into the mechanism, and as you can see, these are actually two parts right here. So I'll be talking right now about the green part right here, but the blue part is exactly the same. So when a person takes a coin right here, when someone takes a coin, it actually presses it to come out, and when it does, it falls out. So why is this? I'll show you right now. So this piece is actually not holding it completely, just holding it not to fall out right here. It's actually standing on this gray piece right here, and when that green piece pushes it out, it falls in right in this hole right there. So it just falls in and it comes out with that, and yeah, so the coin is needed to push the piece out and make it fall out. So by the way, there's another piece that's stacked up to it, just right here, as you can see, right there, and when someone takes a coin and pushes it one more time, it actually falls out as well, but this stays here because it's a wall right there, and it's only high enough to make it hold only down. So this piece comes through the wall, but this stays actually, and then it falls, and this stays here, but when it pushes out, there's a wall right here as well, and then it makes him fall in right in here. So that's how it reloads. And finally, right here, when someone takes a coin and actually pushes it out, as you can see, it pushes it out and makes a hole here as well, and it makes him fall in the tray right here, and then you can just take it out and get the coins back.